Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to use while loop and how to use do while loop in Java, and also I will explain the difference between the while loop and do while loop. Before going to discuss about while loop, we have to know the looping statement. So what is looping statement? The looping statements are nothing but a statement that are execute a block of code repeatedly until a specified condition is true. Then it is nothing but a looping statements. In Java, we have a three types of looping statements. One is for loop, second one is while loop, third one is do while loop. So when we can use for loop? If the user knows how many times a loop should execute, then we can use the for loop. When we can use while loop? If the user does not know how many times a loop should execute, then we can use the while loop. So what about do while loop? The do while loop is also same as while loop. The main difference between the while loop and do while loop is the do while loop is executing the block of statement at least once even though the condition get failed. Now I am going to show you the simple example of while loop and do while loop. So this is my project Java Basics. Under Java Basics, we have a folder SRC. Under SRC folder, we have a package com.java.java basics. I am going to create the new class. From new tab, select the class. Just give the class name is while loop example. So this is my class name. I am going to select the main method as a default. I am selecting the finish button. Now here the class is created. I am going to write the value. First I am going to initialize I equal to 1. So this is nothing but a initialization. Here we are initializing I to 1. So next I am going to write a while loop while I less than 10. Then I am going to write system.out.println Java basics. I want to print a Java basics 10 times. So then here I am going to write a increment operator. Now I am going to run the program, right click, run as Java application. If you see here, the Java basics is printing 10 times. Now I am going to explain the flow of execution. First, the control comes to here. It will assign 1 to I. This will happen only once. Then control coming to here. Here it will test I less than 10. That means 1 less than 10. So the condition is true. It will execute the block of statements is nothing but a system.out.println Java basics. It is printing Java basics first time. So then control coming to here, it will increment the I value to 2 because initially I value is 1. Now it is incrementing to 2. Then it will come to here, it will check 2 less than 10. Yes, it is true. It will execute the system.out.println Java basics. Then it will come to here, it will increment I value to 3. 3 less than 10, it is executing Java basics, and here it will increment I value to 4. Like this only it will iterate the loop until the I value 10. This is nothing but a while loop. Now I am going to show you the do while loop. So here I am going to write the do while loop. Do while loop. So first do while loop into j equal to 1, 2. I am going to write system.out.println. Here I am writing hello Java basics. If you observe system.out.println, I am adding hello because this is the do while loop, and here I am incrementing the I value to, and here I am writing the while I less than 10, just to keep the semicolon here. Now I am going to, sorry, here j. Now I am going to run the program. You should print Java basics 10 times, allow Java basics 10 times. Just run as Java application. Here also do while loop also is executing. Here I am going to show you the flow of execution. First time it will assign one value to j, then it will come. Here it is executing allow Java basics, and j value is incrementing 1 to 2. Then it will come to here. It will compare j less than 10 or not. So yes, then again it will come to here. It will execute this one and increment the j value, and it will test the condition. It will iterate the data until the condition is failed. Suppose here, if you observe while loop and do while loop, the main difference between the while loop and do while loop is, if the while loop, if the condition gets failed, it is not executing the block of statement, it will terminate immediately. But in case of do while loop, even though the condition is failed, the block of statement execute only once. I am showing. Suppose if I initialize j equal to 11, that means j 11 less than 10, that means the condition is failed. So in this situation, do while loop execute the hello Java basics one time. Now I am going to run the program. Here, if you observe here, hello Java basics is printing one time, because even the condition is failed, the statement is executing at least one time. So the difference between the while loop and do while loop is, the do while loop is executing the set of statement at least one, even though the condition is failed. But in case of while loop, if the condition is failed, it is not executing the block of statement. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.